What's up, world? It is a brand new day. We're over here at Tip Plus. We're just gonna explain how excited I am. So let's do this. I'm gonna say that a lot. Excitement. Today's word is gonna be excitement, because that's what it is. First package. Got some 165 Primo Stevie Churchill cranks, Primo pedals, and some Zia pegs. My signature Zia pegs. 4.75. Here with the man John.
Hey.
About to pick up. You know, I'm gonna wait to show you guys until we actually build it up, the frame. Well, until we get to Fu's bike shop. I'm gonna show you guys the frame, but right now I'm gonna pick it up and then head over there, and then that's when you guys get to see there's 3 new things that are out. Very excited. You like them, John?
I love them. Love them, love them.
See?
Yeah, they're awesome.
There you go. So you guys gotta wait. Ooh, there I am. All right, you guys can't see this. Just left Tip Plus. Now driving to Epic in traffic. I kind of went at the wrong time, but it's all good. We have made it here to Epic Bike Shop, and I look like a crazy person with my hair. Shout out Fu at Epic. About to do this damn thing. Gonna pop trunk. Not gonna show you yet until we get inside. Got all the box of goodies. So excited. Ah, I hate putting my bike in the car so much. Oh no! God damn it! Oh no! Damn! You just got your Tip Plus order?
Look how good this packaging is.
Primo!
Yeah, it's pretty good packaging. Hello.
Look at this.
Hello.
Oh God. Did you get some stuff? Some fresh? You guys catch up this morning?
Yep.
Yeah.
Damn.
So fresh and so clean.
Damn. You gonna eat those?
Fuck yeah. It's dinner, bro. It's dinner.
You don't put in ice or nothing?
Dude, that one is not fresh. That one is not fresh.
Here it is.
He's mashing
Filling
the whole
up.
time down. Yeah.
My brand new signature Zia 505 frame.
He just felt.
Oh, dude. And then there's also this surprise. A brand new version 2 of my seat. All black. With the signature Stranger Zia on it. Super hyped on that. I'm gonna build this up right now, and yeah, it's pretty much what I got brand new is cranks, seat, frame, grips, pedals, and I believe that's all new on my bike. Other than that, same old setup. But I hate putting bottom brackets in, headsets, anything. So here, I got Max Wu doing my dirty work. Always.
So lazy.
I know, I'm the laziest person ever.
Switch out your own cranks you made me do it.
Yeah, she helped me out with my cranks, but I did do this all by myself, by the way. So I do kind of know how to build a bike.
No, he doesn't.
No, I probably
This
don't.
is all undercover work.
It's under
Child labor.
child labor. No, I am gonna buy him some chips and drink though, even though I already built half my bike. So.
Well, since you already did that, all you have to do is buy me some chicharrones, and then you have to eat one.
Oh hell no! I'll buy you one though.
Nah, you have to just eat one.
You know I don't. No.
Yeah, I'm gonna make you break your veganness.
You're gonna what?
Make you break your veganness.
What is this contraption you have here?
This is a bottom bracket compressor. Compress it into your frame. A lot better than using a mallet, hammering it in.
See, I'm old-fashioned. I just hit my bottom bracket in.
Yeah, that's why we do it for you. Put the bearing right here.
Uh-huh.
You could normally do 2 at a time, but since this is a pro's bike, I'm gonna do 1 at a time, be extra safe. That's how we work it after some technical difficulties. I hope it doesn't hit your frame.
It's all
Please don't
good.
hit your frame. It's kind of already hitting your frame.
So wide. My frame is really wide, by the way, so you could run really fat tires.
Alright. Megan, get over here. Actually, I might be able to do this by myself. What? Hold this side.
Just pops in there.
Right there.
I'm sitting here at Epic, you know, and I met my new friend from Texas.
I am not from Texas.
He says he's from New Zealand, but I believe he's from Texas. He sounds like he's from Dallas, Texas. All right, here she is in the day. My seat coming out soon. My frame coming out soon. Put some Stevie Churchill 165 cranks on. Primo pedals, my signature pegs. And then, yeah, just super stoked. My frame. Got the Zias in there. Saying Stranger. Got the Native, the 505. The homie came in. I'm giving my old seat. There you go. Give a shout out right now.
Jimmy Merrifield on Instagram.
There you go.
Did you saw it on the Epic Instagram?
And food. There you go.
You saw it on the Epic Instagram, so you dashed that?
Yeah.
Yeah, we posted up what I have it right now. These fucking moms down here.
Yeah, we down here.
Hey, well, hey, that's why you don't sleep on it, dude. When you see something like that, follow them on Instagram. You get rewarded.
Yeah, follow
See,
Epic
when
BMX.
you get lazy, not just Epic BMX, but you know you gotta be in it.
What you eating?
Mango.
Damn.
You're Mexican, dude. You want you
So my bike is completely built up. I want to give a big shout out to Fu at Epic. Max Fu, everybody, right here. I'm gonna go home, do some videos, and go ride this bike and test it out. I am back home. My bike is completely built. Now time to go ride. But it's all gonna be captured on this GoPro here. And try to get as much riding as we can. The sun's about to go down, but make the most of it. So let's do this. GoPro footage starts right now. What's good, baby? New frame? New seat?
I'm about to go get some tacos, probably go chill at this chick's house.
All right, man. I'll see you later. Hey, GoPro on GoPro. GoPro. Yeah, right? Yeah. Let's cruise. I think my foot hit that one.
Beautiful, man.
Wow. Very nice.
Water.
I'm gonna have to be over $5.
Sir. Water. Excuse me. Sorry.
So pretty.
Whoa. Amazing. Smells like fish.